What's going on, guys? It's me again. Camera's on. That means I'm gonna unbox something. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, this is Big Guys Reviews. Today we're gonna be unboxing something here that I got in the mail, and we're gonna go ahead and go in so you guys can see what's inside this box. All right, let's see what's inside of this box. No, I'm not gonna do this, because this is not for me. This is actually for my son. So I'm gonna call my son so he could come here and do the unboxing. I'm gonna give him the honors. Since he's an honor student, I got this for him, so I want to surprise him today. Daniel, come here. So we're gonna see what Good Grace does. And to all y'all people out there that are always commenting on my videos on get this, or you should go with a 14K, or you should do this, or you should do that. I'd rather do stuff for my kids. If you guys want to give me an advice, make sure that you're a great father to your kids, that you love your kids, you spend time with your kids. Before you give me an advice, make sure your life is perfect, all right? Because this is the kind of stuff that I do. I rather do for them than do for me. I know a lot of you guys are going to probably hate, and a lot of people are going to understand what I'm saying. But if you really want to do something good for your kids. Be a good father. That's what you got to do. That's what he gets for the hard work. Hard work pays off. All A's. He's an honor student, about to graduate from high school. He's a good kid. I got him doing sports. He does wrestling, jiu-jitsu. So that's why he's getting this right here. See, he's been wanting those. He worked hard for it, and he finally got them. What you got there? Tell him a little bit what you got.
These are the Yeezy 350 Zebras. They just restocked them the other week, and you can only get them through the Adidas app. You had to go through a raffle. So.
And I went through, oh my goodness, it was so hard because I won them in the Adidas website. I did the raffle, won the raffle, and then at the same time I'm doing this, we're going on vacation. So the package is on the way home. And FedEx, I tried to put a hold on it. FedEx didn't go through, it fell off. Because they said that Adidas had to be the ones to put the stop on the package so it won't be delivered. So it was a whole runaround, but finally they got it together. Adidas contacted FedEx, and then they held the package for us near our home at one of the Walgreens location. So we just got back from the trip from Washington. We got back last night around 11 o'clock at night. Then I went this morning into the Walgreens, picked up my package, which worked out awesome because if I would have had the package at the front of my door, it would have been stolen because it would have been too many days just sitting outside my door. So just like I always tell you guys, listen, do good. Be good to those who even do wrong to you. Be good. Bless somebody, all right? Before you give advice to someone, a person like me, make sure that your life is in order before you tell me what to do with my money. I really don't come in these videos to have anyone tell me how to live my life. I don't go into no one's videos and try to tell them how to live their life. I think the key word here is respect. Let's respect one another. If you're the type of person, the type of guy that you like to drop 20 G's on a gold chain, well, that's good for you. I'm glad that you can do that, and I'm glad that you're doing that.